How to fix camera not detected in Microsoft Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So from here, if you will go to the settings and then go to devices, you should be able to see your camera right here. So in my case, I have my camera right here and I can see it. And then I can also see it that it is selected in the camera settings right here. So if your camera is not detected, what we can do is that we can go to the settings of our desktop. So let's go to search, and then from here we need to search for camera privacy settings. Then we should be able to see this, the camera privacy settings or the system settings. So click on that, and then the first thing that you need to check right here is that the camera access needs to be turned on. So right now my camera access is turned on, so that's why it's also being detected in Microsoft Teams. And then you also need to make sure that the Microsoft Teams application right here is also turned on. So now you can see Microsoft Teams is turned on, camera access is turned on as well. So this is very crucial because this will determine if Microsoft Teams can detect your camera or not. So now once you're done, we can just close this, go back to settings, and then you should be able to see your camera right here. You should be able to have access to it. If not, you can try to reset Microsoft Teams application first. So to do that, you can just go to the show hidden icons right here and then close or quit Microsoft Teams entirely right here. Then just open Microsoft Teams again. And then I will open my other account, which I was using earlier. So wait a second. So here is my account. And then I should now be able to see it right here in devices and then in the video settings. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the camera not being detected in Microsoft Teams. I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.